Hey guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, we will study what are line algorithms. In total, we have 5 line algorithm, that is direct method, simple DDA, incremental DDA, integer DDA, and Breslau's line drawing. So line algorithm means how to draw a line, how to draw a line between two given points. The initial and the final point is given. We have to estimate these middle points and we have to draw a line. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So this is line algorithm. We will study different 5 algorithms. So the basic steps which are common for all the 5 algorithms are: first is naming the point as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Second step is calculating the slope y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Further, these are the basic steps we have to apply in all the 5 algorithms. If your slope is less than or equal to 1, then you have to increment x by 1 and y we have to calculate by using the formula. Else, that is if m is greater than 1, then y is equals to y plus 1 and x we have to calculate. So the difference in the 5 algorithms is only the way how we have to calculate your y and your x, and the remaining steps will be same for all the 5 algorithms. Okay, first name the points x1, y1, x2, y2, calculate the slope y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. If the slope is less than or equal to 1, then x is incremented and y we have to calculate. Else, if slope is greater than 1, then y is incremented and x we have to कैलकुलेट. गाइस, हमें इनिशियल और फाइनल पॉइंट्स लाइन के दिए रहते हैं. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द रिमेनिंग पॉइंट्स. तो पहले हम लोग स्लोप निकालेंगे बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. तब हमें स्लोप का कुछ वैल्यू मिलेगा. अगर वो वैल्यू लेस दैन और इक्वल टू 1 है तो x 1 से इंक्रीमेंट होएगा. मीन्स इनिशियल x इज 3, फाइनल इज 9. So x will be incremented like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is values of x, x1, x2 dot 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 up to xn. And y we have to calculate. और अगर हमारा स्लोप जो है 1 से ग्रेटर आ रहा है तो y इंक्रीमेंट होगा और x हम लोग कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ओके, सो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट x एंड y इन डायरेक्ट मेथड दैट वी विल सी. सो फॉर डायरेक्ट मेथड we will go very slowly that you understand each and every concept. For direct method, we calculated the slope, which is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now two choices. If your slope is less than or equal to 1 and if your slope is greater than 1, x will be x plus 1. Y we have to calculate. Here y will be y plus 1, x we have to calculate. Now what is y? Y is mx plus b and x is y minus b upon m. Now what is b? B is nothing but the y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept, wait, I'll show you what is y-intercept. This is the point x1, y1, x2, y2. This is our line. So if we extend this point, so this distance is y-intercept. जहाँ पे इस लाइन ने y एक्सिस को कट किया, उस पॉइंट से x एक्सिस से उस पॉइंट तक के डिस्टेंस को बोलते हैं y-intercept. Okay, so this is how you will get the answer. Now how to calculate b? How to calculate by y-intercept? B is equals to y minus mx. that is y1 minus m x1. So that's it. This is how by direct method you can draw a line. Now let's see an example. You have to learn this. Question is given like, draw a line between the points 3, 4 and 9, 5 by direct method. These two are the points 3, 4, 9, 5. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. We have to draw a line between these 2 points. So we should know what are these points. What is x, what is y. So we should know this. Okay. So first step is x1, y1 we plotted them. Second is calculate the slope. तो स्लोप के लिए फॉर्मूला है y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. y2 5 minus 4 9 minus 3 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 which is less than 1. And what we learned, if your slope is less than or equal to 1, x is incremented and y is calculated. So x will be x plus 1 and y will be mx plus b. So this is x1, y1, initially 3, 4 and final was 9, 5. So x will be incremented 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the each value of x we will calculate the value of y. Okay. X is incremented, yes. Y is mx plus b. Now we should know what is the value of b. So b is, so what was the y minus mx? y1 minus m x1. What is y1? 4. What is m? 1 upon 6. And what is x1? 3. It is 4 minus 1 upon 2, which is equals to 7 upon 2. So b is, y intercept is 7 upon 2. Now for each value of x we will calculate the value of y. So first for 4, y is mx plus b. What is m? 1 upon 6. What is the value of x? 4 plus b 7 upon 2. It is 4 upon 6 plus 7 upon 2. 4 upon 6 plus 7 upon 2. 6. Plus 21 upon 6. 4 plus 21 upon 6, which is equals to 25 upon 6. Next, this is y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Let us consider this. So this was our y2. y3 is mx plus b. m is 1 upon 6. What is x? 5. Plus what is b? 7 upon 2. 5 upon 6 plus 7 upon 2. Making the denominator same, we will get 13 upon 3. y4 is mx plus b. What is m? 1 upon 6. What is x? 6 plus 7 upon 2. 6 upon 6 plus 7 upon 2, which is equals to 9 upon 2. y4 mx plus b. m, what is x? 7 plus what is b? Sorry guys, 7 upon 2, which is equals to 7 upon 6 plus 7 upon 2, which is equals to 14 upon 3. You can make the denominator same and perform the calculation. So this is y3, sorry, this is y5. Next we have to calculate y6. y6 will be mx plus b. m what is x? X is 8 plus what is b? 7 upon 2, that is 8 upon 6 plus 7 upon 2, which is equals to 29 upon 6. Now you have to solve these answers, just don't leave them as it is. 25 upon 6 will be equals to 4.1, 13.3 is equals to 4.3, this is equals to 4.5, this is equals to 4.6, and this is equals to 4.8. So is this are the values of y? No, we cannot write them in the decimal value because computer doesn't accept the decimal, so we have to round it off. How to round it? See, wait, I will show you. For example, if we have 7.3, so 0.3 is less than 0.5. So if the decimal value is less than 0.5, so it will remain 7 only. If it is less than or equal to 0.5, then the value remains same. 8.3, again 0.3 is less than 0.5, so it will be 8. 8.9, 0.9 is greater than 0.5, so it will be the next integer 9. In this way you have to round off. So from the above example, 4.1, 4.3, 4.5, 4.6, 4.8. Okay, now let's round it off. 4.1, no, sorry, 0.1 is less than 0.5, 0.3 is also less than 0.5, 0.5 is equal to 0.5, 0.6 is greater than 0.5, and 0.8 is greater than 0.5. If the value is less or equal, then the value remains same. This is less, so 4. This is also less, so 4. This is less or equal, same value. This is greater, so next 5. And this is also 0.8 is greater, so it will be 5. This is how you have to round it off. If the decimal value is less or equal to 0.5, then the same previous one. And if it is greater than 0.5 decimal value, then jump to the next integer. So for the above question, the values of x and y. X, y. So what are the values of x and y? What was x? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These were the values of x. Now what are the values of y? 4, 4, sorry. For 3 in question it is given 4 and for 9, 5. So 4, 4, 4, 5, 5. So this is our chart. These are the values of x, these are the values of y, and we can easily plot our line. So guys, this was all about direct method. It is very simple. Let's again revise it. Just learn in the class only. First, we have to draw a line between 2 points. Question is given like this way. पहले हमें पॉइंट्स को नेम देना होता है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट x1 y1, लास्ट पॉइंट x2 y2. उनके बीच के पॉइंट्स हम लोग फाइंड करके लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. So पहले हम फाइंड करेंगे स्लोप विच इज y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. अगर हमारा स्लोप लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1 है और अगर हमारा स्लोप ग्रेटर देन 1 है. लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1 रहा तो x इंक्रीमेंट होगा और अगर ग्रेटर देन 1 रहा तो y इंक्रीमेंट होगा. अगर x इंक्रीमेंट होगा तो y क्या होगा? mx प्लस b. और अगर y इंक्रीमेंट होगा तो x क्या होगा? y माइनस बी अपॉन m. ठीक है, b निकालना है y1 माइनस m x1. दिस इज हाउ यू विल कैलकुलेट योर b. So this was all about direct method. Just revise it once and learn. हर algorithm में basic step same ही है, that calculate the slope. If slope is less than equal to 1, x is incremented. If slope is greater than 1, y is incremented. But different हर algorithm में यहाँ पर है कि y कैसे calculate करना है और यहाँ पे x calculate करना है, x कैसे calculate करना है. Okay guys, then that's it for today. Okay, thank you, bye bye.